Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to switch from professional account to personal on Instagram. A business or professional Instagram account can help you maintain professional brand image while providing insightful data on user engagement. However, it can be overwhelming for someone who is new to the platform and has mistakenly switched to a business or professional account. Also, some influencers believes that a personal account helps them better engage with followers. Whatever the case may be, if you are here to learn how to switch back to a personal account from a professional or business account, let me walk you through the process. The process to change the account type is fairly simple, and your Instagram account will be switched back to a personal one in no time. All your content will stay intact in the process, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's see how you can switch to a personal account via the Instagram Android mobile apps. On the Instagram app, tap the profile icon in the bottom bar. Tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner of your profile page. Then go to Settings and Privacy from the pop-up menu that opens. Next, scroll down to Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls. Here, look for the Switch Account Type option and tap on it. Now, tap on Switch to Personal Account, and in the confirmation pop-up, tap on Switch to Personal again. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.